Hey everyone! Today, I'll show you how to activate Windows 11 step by step. Let's get started. Press Windows and I together to open Settings. Go to System, then select Activation in the left-hand menu. Under Activation State, check if it says Active or Not Activated. If it's active, you're all set. If not, follow the next steps. If you already have a product key, keep it handy. If you don't, purchase one from the Microsoft Store or a trusted retailer. Avoid using unverified sources to prevent issues. In the activation settings, click Change Product Key under the Activation section, enter your 25-character product key, and click Next. Windows will verify the key and activate your system. If you upgraded to Windows 11 from a licensed version of Windows 10, your activation is tied to your Microsoft account. Sign in with the same Microsoft account you used on your previous device. After signing in, go to Settings, System, and then Activation. And Windows should automatically activate. Press Windows and S together, type CMD, and run Command Prompt as an administrator. Enter these commands one by one. Replace this with your actual key. If activation fails, ensure your internet connection is stable. Verify the product key is valid and matches the edition of Windows installed. Contact Microsoft support if you continue to face issues. Activating Windows unlocks all features and removes the watermark. Ensure your system is updated for the best performance and compatibility. And that's it. You're now ready to activate Windows 11 quickly and easily. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or need help with specific errors.